Hello, my name is Johara Khan and I'm a 2021 WiSTEM2D scholarship recipient. So I'm studying a master's in environmental engineering, specifically a master's in waste and resource management. I think particularly girls are told a lot of horror stories about what being in STEM means. So I'll say that you should just do as much research as you can, not only on your area of interest, but on as many STEM careers as you can think of. And just arm yourselves with as much knowledge as possible and you'll figure out where you fit in. It's very exciting to be part of the cohort of WiSTEM2D scholarship recipients who are doing very innovative work. This is creating a pipeline of high school pupils to university graduates who will continue to keep the legacy of this program alive and do amazing things in our community.
I'd like to take this opportunity to congratulate the 2021 recipients of the WiSTEM2D Johnson & Johnson program here at UKZN. Well done, guys, you are amazing students, and with this program we hope to transition you to become amazing engineers, scientists, mathematicians, and of course women of science. And a big thank you to Johnson & Johnson for bringing the WiSTEM2D program here at the University of KwaZulu-Natal. We are extremely excited for this partnership and we hope for a very long-term partnership and friendship to transition these young women into great success.
I am Karina Motilal and I'm one of the recipients of the WiSTEM2D award. I have studied my Bachelor of Education degree and I've just completed it. I have done it in the intermediate and senior phase with my subjects as mathematics and science. I have chosen to do teaching mainly because I am very passionate about working with children, and secondly, I love working with science. I have always been passionate about exploring things and finding out new ways on how to do stuff. I am so proud to be a part of the first group of women that have received the Johnson & Johnson scholarship. And as a byproduct of it, I will be going back to schools and developing young women in the maths and science fields. I would also like to thank the Johnson & Johnson family for awarding me this scholarship. I would also like to thank each and every person that has helped me and motivated me throughout my degree.
Good day, my name is Thabo Msibi. I am the Dean and Head of the School of Education here at the University of KwaZulu-Natal. I am absolutely delighted to be congratulating you today on the award of the WiSTEM2D Johnson & Johnson Scholarship. We're very proud of the partnership that Johnson & Johnson has undertaken with UKZN. We recognize, of course, that women's issues remain very, very important in the context of education, particularly in the areas of science, of mathematics, of data analytics, of education, and of course of the built environment. We believe that this scholarship is going to open new doors, new channels for the university to pursue and strongly support the emancipation of young women in these very important and critical areas. We want to ensure that as a university we're able to sustain the lives of young girls and to have examples of what it means to be a young woman pursuing higher education and actually being successful in your career. We are very, very delighted that this offers us that opportunity. We want to thank Johnson & Johnson for their contributions, for all their hard work in ensuring that this important work is undertaken and that it moves forward. As a university, we commit ourselves to ensuring that we address these inequalities that exist in our society. We want to make sure that we're decisive in the ways that we pursue this work, and we want to make sure that we support young women that come into our system so that they can actually have a successful future. Congratulations and very well done. Thank you very much.
Hello everyone, my name is Yankis and I'm currently doing my Masters in Data Science in the University of KwaZulu-Natal. So I basically chose it because of the love and the value that I have in solving problems, real life problems, in the most unique and effective ways, using mathematical techniques, statistical programming, and also machine learning. I'm excited to be part of the Johnson & Johnson Wisdom family and to be called upon to give back to the community by encouraging the young girls, especially those who are still in high school, to enroll more into the science field, and because there are endless opportunities in the field, and they will not only help them to explore much in the field, but it will also help them to elevate themselves and to grow themselves.
Hello, I'm Delia North. I'm the Dean and the Head of the School of Mathematics, Statistics and Computer Science at the University of KwaZulu-Natal. I'm delighted to be part of the Johnson & Johnson WiSTEM2D project at UKZN. This project aims to encourage young ladies to pursue STEM-based studies and careers. And what better way to do so than through an ambassador program, where young ladies are motivated by being exposed to role models. We've introduced an ambassador program where schoolgirls meet female university students at UKZN that are studying in STEM areas. These students in turn have the opportunity of meeting female graduates of UKZN that have current careers in STEM areas in the workplace. I want to congratulate our winners today. Ladies, we are so proud of you. You are our ambassadors and you are very valuable to our program. I trust that this program will continue to grow and richly deliver on the goal of addressing the underrepresentation of women in STEM areas in the workplace.
Hello, I'm Aphiwe Chazi. I'm doing my second year in Bachelor of Architectural Studies at the University of KwaZulu-Natal. Being a woman in science is very challenging, but with the WiSTEM community besides me, it is very rewarding. I have a community that I am able to communicate with and that is able to help me in my field. As the first group of recipients of the WiSTEM Scholarship at the University of KwaZulu-Natal, I plan on creating a community for these young scientists by them being able to explore their ideas and innovations in science so that when they come into university, they show that they want to be here and that they can be women in science. Thank you, Johnson & Johnson, for this wonderful opportunity, not only making my dreams come true, but the dreams of young women in science, that it is possible for them to be granted this opportunity.
Good day. My name is Ernest Khalema and I'm the Dean and Head of School of Built Environment and Development Studies at UKZN. What a wonderful occasion to celebrate the launch of the WiSTEM2D initiative in partnership with Johnson & Johnson. As an implementing partner in this incredible university-wide initiative, we congratulate the recipients of the J&J bursaries in the discipline of architecture and pledge to support them as they journey in their studies. There are limitless opportunities for them to change the trajectory of their lives and those around them as they pursue their studies and careers. We affirm that no matter where they come from, particularly in the context of our country of South Africa, everything is possible. The School of Built Environment and Development Studies appreciates the vision behind the initiative, Professor Thabo Msibi, for bringing all of us together to intervene in this incredible manner. We are committed to creating catalysts for change and the intentional intervention to nurture talent and increased representation of women in science and technical fields will go a long way in transforming the space. We look forward to the planned community projects and the development of role models, mentors, ambassadors in the coming year. And we thank Johnson & Johnson WiSTEM2D Programme for empowering our deserving UKZN students. We thank you.
Hello, my name is Laura Nell, and I am the sponsor of the Johnson & Johnson WiSTEM2D Programme. In 2015, Johnson & Johnson launched the WiSTEM2D initiative. WiSTEM stands for Women in Science, Technology, Engineering, Maths, Manufacturing and Design. Led by a network of volunteers from across Johnson & Johnson, this ambitious program is a multifaceted approach to support and inspire girls and women of all ages in their pursuit of STEM2D careers and studies. Women are innovators in meeting today's challenges and inventing tomorrow's solutions. They are scientists and technologists. They are caregivers, mentors and mothers. They are the anchors of the family, leaders in our businesses, and drivers of the global economy. At Johnson & Johnson, we've been championing women and providing tools and resources for them to succeed at work and at home since our founding more than 130 years ago. Yet, today, across the world, there is a lack of gender diversity in STEM2D fields. In proud partnership with the University of KwaZulu-Natal, we aspire to achieve our WiSTEM2D goals, focused on supporting women and their pursuit of STEM2D degrees and beyond to a successful career.